In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form from a Google Sheet. If you've ever thought about collecting data efficiently or gathering feedback in a streamlined way, linking Google Sheets with Google Forms is an excellent approach. It not only simplifies the process, but also automatically organizes all your responses right into your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in. First, open up Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, clicking the New button on the top left corner, and selecting Google Sheets. Once you have your spreadsheet open, direct your attention to the menu across the top of the page. What you're going to do next is access the Tools menu. You'll find this option near the center of the menu bar. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, look for the Create a Form option within this menu. Clicking on that option will automatically generate a new Google form, and what's really convenient is that this form is already linked to your spreadsheet. This means that any responses you collect through the form will be systematically saved in your current Google Sheet. Moving on to the next step, you'll want to edit your newly created form. To do this, a new tab will open with the Google Form Editor visible for you. This is your playground where you can customize your form based on the information you need to gather. You can change the form's title, adjust settings, and tweak other features according to your preferences. Make sure you take advantage of this step to ensure your form aligns with your data collection needs. Once your form is customized to your liking, it's time to add questions. The form editor provides a variety of question types, from multiple choice options to linear scales, allowing you to decide the best way to capture the information you need. Spend some time thinking about the questions you want to ask. Are you looking for simple yes or no answers, or do you require more detailed responses? Select the question type that best fits the data you're after. And now, here's the best part. Each time someone fills out your form, their responses will be saved directly into your linked Google Sheet. This ensures all information is organized and in one place, making analysis much more efficient than transferring data manually. By following these steps, you'll not only streamline your data collection process, but also ensure that all the collected data is neatly stored and easily accessible. So now, take this new skill and start making your data collection smarter and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.